Hello unicorns, welcome back to my channel Tales of Unicorn. To all the new people there, hi, I'm Harita. Basically I create travel vlogs, but on some other days I do create random lifestyle vlogs too. So if you have seen in my previous video, I would have packed for a trip. So that trip is starting right now, which is to Mysore, the cultural capital of Karnataka. So let's start this trip in an enthusiastic mode. And also before this video comes, I think most of the stories will be present on my Instagram already. So you can check out my Instagram account, which is also Tales of Unicorn. And for detailed vlogs, you can check out this channel. So for that, you have to subscribe. So please do hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. I took the Kaveri Express, which runs from Chennai to Mysore, and luckily I got the lower berth after so many years. After reaching Mysore, I took an auto to reach my accommodation Zostel. As you can see, every street is decked up with so many lights. This is for Navratri. So this is the entrance, and once you enter, you have a white board with all the events happening around Mysore written. That is one common washroom which is maintained very neatly, and those are other few dorms, and this is one of the common lounge where especially during nights if you sit and chill, you'll definitely have some peaceful vibes. So you can leave your shoes here and slippers because it's not allowed inside. So this is another common lounge where you can also find the reception. Also beware of their pets because they're currently raising 2 cats and 1 dog, but you can be safe around them. That room over there is your luggage area where you can keep your luggages either if you're waiting for your check-in or if you have no place to keep your bags after checkout. And as usual, every hostel will have a map of their city painted on the wall. You can pause and take a screenshot if you need. They have their own community kitchen where you'll get a refrigerator and all other basic kitchen needs. Coming to dorms, I took a 6-bed female dorm and this is it. So you have other options available too. You can check this hostel website and you can find the rates there as well. So this is the restroom and it's usually maintained clean. But if you still have any problems, you can call the housekeeping. So you can check out other hostel tour videos in my channel. It's already 11:30 a.m. and I'm just having my breakfast at this place called Dosa Palace. Good evening, guys. So the time is actually 4 right now. So I think I slept for some solid 3.5 hours. I got a really good nap. I'm not sure why I slept this much because I never sleep in my travels in the afternoons especially. So maybe it could be travel fatigue or my body is genuinely tired. I'm not sure. And also coming back to sightseeing, since it's Tuesday today, some of the places are closed here for maintenance reasons maybe. So the day one is a bit sluggish till now, so maybe I can visit 1 or 2 places in the evening. So let me just go and inquire if any places will be open. This seems to be such a huge park. There are so many people walking over there. So I think Mysore's happening park and beautiful park is this. This Kukkarahalli lake is situated in the heart of the city Mysore and it becomes more special during the birds' migratory season. The walking area is actually 5 kilometers, which I did not know at the start. So basically the lake is in the center and around the shore it is a 5-kilometer area where you can find so many people walking, jogging and doing so many fitness activities. I started walking and only after I reached like 2.5 kilometers, I found out that it was a 5-kilometer pavement. Finally found an exit. So successfully made all 5 kilometers. Not sure if it was 5 kilometers because they say it's 4.5 to 5. Anyways, it's a huge milestone for me personally. Commuting around Mysore is very easy through auto. You can just book it through Rapido or Ola app. Every street is lit like this during Navratri. So opposite Zostel, there is this restaurant called Pataka. They have many items right from chaat, sandwich, pav bhaji, paratha, etc. I ordered a pani puri and bel puri and completed my dinner. Back to my dorm, guys. So today was a sloppy sloggy day and maybe I would have disappointed you. Apologies, I'm really sorry. Not sure what happened to me today, but this is all about travel. On some days you are on your peak traveling the whole day from morning to night. On some other days you just wanted to be some rested relaxing day. So that today was one such day for me. But tomorrow I have a jam-packed itinerary and I'll definitely show you so many places that you have to visit while you are in Mysore. So for watching that video you have to hit the subscribe button, and also if you check out my Instagram, I would have already posted what are the places I visited, so you can get a major idea from that too. So check out my Instagram account, which is also Tales of Unicorn, and I'll see you guys real soon in another exciting video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.